everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download nomination summary report agent-wise in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the documentation module. Here, we have to select the reports document menu. Now, choose the nomination salesperson report summary menu under the report documents. On this nomination salesperson report summary page, we have to select the flag as nomination agent and enter the required details. Then click on submit button. Now, nomination salesperson report summary agent wise list will be displayed on the screen. Click on the options menu and then click on the download option to download the nomination salesperson report summary agent wise list. This is how to download the nomination summary report agent wise list in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.